If you really wanna change, kung nasasaktan ka na sa sinasabi ko, at talagang nasasaktan ka na sa sitwasyon mo, na paulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari sa'yo, after watching this video, maybe you can start writing your goals. Simulan mo sa maliliit na bagay na gusto mo. Just get in paper and write. What do you want? What do you really want for yourself? Maybe you can start with paying the bills, buying a food for yourself, or your family. Or kung lubog ka sa utang, start there. Kung wala kang pinagkakakitaan ngayon, start there. Write it. Set the goal that you will start earning your own money. Write anything that you want. Maybe building a skill. Maybe being part of a community. Kung nahihirapan ka na mag-commute, baka gusto mo ng motor, isulat mo. Mag-research ka. Ano yung gusto mo? Hindi yung kung ano-anong nare-research mo na hindi naman makakatulong sa'yo. Ang i-research mo, ano yung motor na gusto mo? Ano yung coaching gusto mo? Ano yung bahay na gusto mo? Ano yung buhay na gusto mo?